Okay, YouTube, went to the junkyard, grabbed me another axle. Even though my axle wasn't bad, I could have just changed the boot. The new one was like 92, something like that. Wouldn't pay 20 for that. The boot was, I think, 12 or something. But since I had it off, that's what I thought it was at first. But it's actually the wheel hub. But I ordered my hub off eBay. It was 40. AutoZone, all them stores, is 140. So just had to wait a couple days. Took a couple days off. But look at this. I finally got this off. Look at that. Bearings just gone. Didn't give me no signs or nothing. It was going out. And it was hell getting this off, man. So what I ended up doing, I stuck the screws back in there, put some heat on it. I have my propane and my little torch, heating it up for a long ass time and hitting it out with that Thor sledgehammer. Finally got it to move, kept moving, got it out. I was gonna get one of these from the junkyard. I had it almost out, trying the same method. It cracked the housing. It's too fucking cold for me to take all that shit back and loose off another car. So I was like, fuck it, order it. But yeah, we're gonna get it back on in a minute. Cut y'all on in a minute. Oh, I forgot to mention I got the new tie rod too. I had mug and all that crap on my truck at first. I got all my front end work and all that done before I even put them rims and shit on. So it is what it is though. Okay, YouTube. Show y'all where we at. Bada boom, bada bing. Junkyard axle, brand new tie rod, brand new wheel hub. I'm gonna scrape this off. I left this out here. Fine sandpaper real quick. Gotta tighten up this and that bottom one real quick. Yeah, I know I'm lost that bushing, but hey, whatever. I'm changing all that in spring anyway, so I ain't really tripping. So, ins and outs, trusty old tool bag. Don't need no fancy tools for all this shit. Everything I need is in my bags. So, that's it, that's all. Easy getting it off because, back on because everything was loose. So, that's it, that's all, man. Hell yeah, snow.